So this is what happens when your bedroom is also your workspace. I have my sister here helping me out. We have all my inventory here, plus a bunch of other stuff, and then some more inventory here, beds over there, and then we have a little clothing rack, my steamer. We're gonna start just taking out the items that people ordered and steaming them, so tomorrow morning when I wake up, I can pack everything up. So first order, so we're just looking at Shopify orders and just getting ready to steam. Woo woo.
Starting on a new page feels better every time. Flip as simple as waking up next to you. These thoughts all escape them. I got you, turn to shoot. Shouldn't be more than a year or two. Is it bad that I feel misunderstood? Or bad that I'm under you? I'm trapped beneath all the yeses I keep on giving. Is it bad that I don't wanna lose? Or bad that it's always you? I'm losing all my days, but I still keep on going.
This is everything that I have to pack tomorrow. These are all the orders. So now I'm going to write out all the thank you cards. I'm going to do this so tomorrow the process is so much easier. I can just throw the thank you cards into the bag with the correct person's name. She just dropped something. The correct person's name on it, and yeah, they'll just be done and I don't have to worry about writing them tomorrow, because something that I had to learn the hard way was that when I write, I always get Sharpie on my hands, and then I would get so nervous packing items and like get scared that I'd accidentally get Sharpie on the clothes. I'm like, I just want to avoid that, so I'm going to do that today, and tomorrow I don't have to stress about it.
All my weekends are the same, I guess it feels nice. Consistent, something that we didn't. Is it bad that I feel misunderstood? Or bad that I'm under you? I'm trapped beneath all the yeses I keep on giving.
Good morning, guys. So it's currently 8:06 a.m. 8:06 a.m. I just woke up, got ready. I need to brush my hair. I need to get out of my pajamas still. It's gonna be a big packing day today, and I'm excited for it. I've never had as much orders as I do right now, and I don't know where to start, but I just gotta do it. Gotta start, gotta get grounding. Let's go. How cute are our knit sets? Emmy here got a knit set and a opal sweat set, which I'll show you in a moment. How cute is this? I'm obsessed with the opal color too. I'm honestly so relieved that I did the packing, or I did the steaming and just getting everything that everyone ordered out last night, because it makes it so much less overwhelming. You know, doing everything at once can be a lot, and now I just have to pack everything. So I feel like it's gonna go smooth sailing. I always just double check the sizes and everything, make sure that they match up. I have my trusty computer right here that has everything that I need for the order. Get one of our cute bags. And then I wrote all the thank you cards yesterday, so I have it already done, and just make sure obviously the name matches and I put the right thank you card in the bag. The most satisfying part, as And then we get the shipping label. Stick it on the back. First order done. Next we have a opal sports bra top and a small opal keeping it classic crew neck. Honestly, it's kind of hard to pack on this space because I don't have as much space as I want to pack. But you gotta work with what you got, right? And that's exactly what I'm doing. Second order done. Okay, so I'm gonna check back with you guys once everything is done. But little side note, check out the outfit. More details about the outfit coming soon. It is part of our Down to Earth collection. I obviously focus on loungewear mainly because this is what I live in all the time. Like when I'm doing things like packing orders or running errands, whatever it is, like I'm throwing on comfortable clothes. I don't know about you, but I'm throwing on like a sweat set, a matching set, a knit set, whatever it is. And that's why we always say, you can see it in our Instagram bio and you can see it on our website. It's ready to lounge while you build a life you love. That's exactly what we preach. Super excited. I will see you guys once I'm done packing. So I just packed my first 2 international orders. One's going to Australia, one's going to New Zealand. I'm so excited. So I'm almost done. I have about 2 left. We're done. We have one little guy here because he's going to Canada Post, but this is UPS. This is all FedEx, so let's go on an adventure. Okay, so we have a couple stops. First, I'm going to go to Canada Post, drop off that one package. And then, you know, I feel like it's much deserved. I don't even know what time it is. And I don't even think I brought my phone with me. Gotta go back inside. But anyways, I'm gonna get Starbucks because I deserve it, and then we're gonna go to UPS and FedEx. I'm gonna try to figure out a way to attach you guys in my car. I have this little GoPro piece here, so we're gonna try to figure that out. Got the phone, got this set up, we're good to go. It's freaking cold out there. Jesus, my hair is a disaster. It's 0 degrees outside. Right on the dot. It all makes sense because I'm freezing my hands off. First stop is Canada Post. Gonna drop off that one order. Thankfully, it's literally right beside my house. Let's get the first stop out of the way. Mask on. Okay, I'll be right back. Oh. Step 1, check. We made it. We are currently in the drive-thru. I'm trying to figure out what I want though. I don't know. Hi, can I just get a grande iced shaken espresso with the caramel brulee syrup instead of the classic? And then can I just get that topped with oat milk?
No problem. Anything else for you?
That's everything.
Coming up.
Thank you. Hi.
It's gonna be 6:05 today.
6:05? Okay. There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Perfect.
you
And
go.
just a straw, please. Thank you so
Have a
much.
good
You too. Okay, we got the goods. Let's try it. Oh, that's so good. Oh, that's just what I needed. We made it to stop number 2. Let's go. stop 2 is complete. Now last stop is UPS. Funny story, I went in there, I went into Staples, I was waiting, and I brought the wrong bag. I brought all my UPS packages, and UPS, they don't do UPS at Staples, so I'm like, I was waiting in line, I went there, and then I looked in the bag just to make sure. I wanted to check if everything was in there was like FedEx. Turns out they were all UPS, so yikes. So I went back and we're all good now. So we have officially made it to destination 3. UPS, let's go. Technically 4. We went to Canada Post, Starbucks, FedEx, now UPS. We're all finished. We're back on the road. Time to go home. If you ordered from our Black Friday sale / Cyber Monday sale, your orders are shipped. They're out. Maybe by the time you see this, you would have already gotten it, which would be great. I hope you guys love your stuff so much. Thank you guys so much for supporting me. Like, if you know me, if you're friends with me, you know that I literally always, every time I get an order, I like happy dance and cry at the same time. Like, I just appreciate you guys so much. Like, I can say it over and over and over again, but it still just doesn't express how much I am thankful and grateful and appreciative of all of you. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Thank you so much for coming along on the ride, literally, and journey with me getting all your Black Friday and Cyber Monday orders shipped. I appreciate you guys so much, and I will see you